What Utilities have been a client of ours for many years now. Over years, we seem to have taken on more services as we've sort of gone on with our relationship. They came to us with the opportunity of moving the office in quite a tight time frame. When we were designing the new office, one of our key parts was to design the network, which started with the internet. Resilient internet was one of the key points we were focused on, ensuring they had a leased line and some 5 gig connections as well. From that point then, obviously the new office we needed to look at cabling infrastructure, CCTV infrastructure with it being a larger office, and obviously they wanted to look at some more visual aspects for wallboards and some of the conference rooms.
Well, we've worked with Liv for about 7 years. We've just formed a great working relationship where I know I can pick up the phone or I can raise a ticket, I can speak to people, and within a very, very short space of time, I can get my problem rectified. Over the last few years, we've had more products to offer to customers. We've become a lot more diverse in the way how we work, and it made sense to sort of move forward, and we couldn't have done that in our previous office. When we've moved, we've had a look at our IT equipment, phone system, we've looked at our internet, our wireless abilities as well as our wired abilities.
So the large office will allow us to grow the team further. We'll be able to focus on other departments within our industry. We've been able to revamp and do up the network so it's much more sustainable and allows us to progress even further.
So the benefits of working with Liv have been the solutions in relation to running the cabling, the network, the infrastructure. Liv helped with our phone system integration with our CRM as well. We have a seamless transaction when we're making calls and interaction with the CRM and creating like an overview and a topography of where people are going to be sat. Our previous system, we had an on-site based system, whereas now we've gone to the cloud. We were a little bit, should we do this, shouldn't we do it? But if anything, it's worked better. It's offered us more flexibility and more reliability. Wi-Fi 6 as well, bringing us up to sort of the latest spec, latest available. And what they've also done as well is created a continuity plan. So if our lease line was to go down, what have we got as a backup plan? How can we work? How can we still operate? And more importantly, how can we still service our clients? And that's the big thing.
We're a full turnkey technology company. This allows us to design your call centre right from the actual cabling infrastructure all the way through to your 24/7 maintenance, ensuring the resilience and ensure there's no downtime. One of our key expert services is voice with our contact centre solution. With over 20 years VoIP and networking experience, this allows us to be ahead of our competitors in terms of this industry, and it also ensures that the client, for example, are working with the correct technology partner.
During the whole move, we changed quite a lot of things in such a short period of time. They was always willing to adapt and improvise and meet our requirements, and they delivered everything on time, even when we did bring the move forward.
I would recommend them, get in contact with them, have a Teams meeting, but I'd definitely recommend their services and what they provide.